Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the First Descendant Error Code. User is invalid, external 4518032375953127016. The error reads, user is invalid, external has already been taken. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to sign in to Nexon customer support. First, restart your device along with your internet router and then try signing in again. If the error still appears, try using a different browser and see if this helps. If none of these steps work, then the issue is likely on Nexon's end. In this case, we suggest waiting for some time and trying again later. In case the error continues for too long, then reach out to Nexon support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.